Welcome to English Guide. Learn and succeed.
My family. I want to tell you about my family. We are a small, happy family. First, there is my mom. Her name is Maria. She is kind and cooks tasty meals for us. I love her spaghetti and cookies. Mom works in an office and she wears glasses. Next is my dad, John. He is tall and strong. Dad works at a factory and he wears a blue uniform. He is good at fixing things around the house. I like to help him with small tasks. I have a little sister, Lisa. She is 6 years old and very cute. Lisa likes to play with dolls and color pictures. Sometimes we play games together in the backyard. We also have a pet cat named Whiskers. Whiskers is soft and gray. She likes to sleep in the sun and chase after toy mice. We all love our furry friend. Our home is cozy. We have a living room with a big TV and we watch movies together. The kitchen is where we eat delicious meals cooked by Mom. My room has toys and books, and I enjoy spending time there. On weekends, we sometimes go to the park or visit grandparents. Family is important, and I feel happy when we are all together. We help each other and share happy moments. In the evening, we gather for dinner, and we talk about our day. My family is my best friend, and I am grateful for their love. Our home is a place of laughter, love, and warmth. I am lucky to have such a wonderful family.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.